In this video, we will show a complete BDD round trip with Jira TestOps CLI. Export scenarios, edit one locally, validate the import, and confirm the result in Jira. The recording uses project dev and issue dev2 as examples. Use your own keys in Jira. Open Jira TestOps on your Jira site, create a CLI key, and copy the one-time value to authorize the CLI. In the terminal, install the exact package version at Automatify AU/CLI at 0.1.11. Then authorize the CLI and configure a project. The demonstration uses dev. Enter your own project key here. Export all BDD scenarios from the selected project into a clean working folder. Open the files and locate the scenario you need. In this example, it is linked to issue dev2. Make a small, clear change in the Gherkin file so it is easy to verify later in both the terminal and Jira. Run import with the -dry run option first. Confirm that the CLI validates the local change successfully and shows exactly what will be imported. After the check succeeds, run the real import. Wait for the command to complete and confirm that the updated BDD scenario was uploaded to Jira TestOps. Export the scenarios again into a separate folder. Compare the edited file with the new export. An empty diff confirms the complete round trip. Now open the Jira issue linked to the scenario. In this demonstration, it is dev-2. In Jira TestOps, verify that the imported change is displayed. Done. You can export scenarios, edit them locally, validate with a dry run, import them back, and confirm the result in Jira. Repeat this process for any Jira project with Automatify TestOps installed, using your own project and issue keys.